Hello everyone, and welcome to our cooking tutorial. Today, we're going to make some delicious cookies using simple ingredients like butter, baking soda, sugar, flour, and baking powder. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the ingredients we'll need for our cookie dough. The basic ingredients are butter, sugar, eggs, and flour. But you can also add some extra flavor and texture by incorporating other ingredients like vanilla, extract, chocolate chips, or nuts. The choice is yours. Now, let's move on to the recipe. Here's a simple guide to making our butter, baking soda, sugar, flour, and baking powder cookies. 1. Preheat your oven to 350 F180C and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 2. In a large mixing bowl, cream the butter and sugar together until light and fluffy. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes using an electric mixer on medium speed. 3. Add in the eggs, one at a time, mixing well after each addition. The eggs will help the dough rise and make the cookies more airy. 4. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour and baking powder. Add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, alternating with the milk. Begin and end with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix. 5. If the dough is too dry, add a tablespoon or 2 of milk, and if it's too wet, add a little more flour. The dough should be smooth and easily shaped into balls. 6. Roll out the dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a cookie cutter or a sharp knife to cut the dough into desired shapes. 7. Transfer the cookies onto the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 1 inch between each cookie. 8. Bake the cookies for 10 to 12 minutes or until they are lightly golden around the edges. Keep an eye on your cookies to avoid over-baking them. 9. Remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, delicious butter, baking soda, sugar, flour, and baking powder cookies that are perfect for any occasion. Enjoy!